Question 1. What is the only planet that rotates clockwise? The correct answer is Venus. Question 2. What is the strongest muscle in the human body by weight? The correct answer is jaw. Question 3. What is the national animal of Scotland? The correct answer is unicorn. Question 4. How many hearts does an octopus have? The correct answer is 3. Question 5. What is the only letter not appearing in any U.S. state name? The correct answer is Q. Question 6. Which metal is liquid at room temperature? The correct answer is mercury. Question 7. What is the fastest land animal? The correct answer is cheetah. Question 8. How long does it take sunlight to reach Earth? The correct answer is 8 minutes. Question 9. What was the first soft drink in space? The correct answer is Coca-Cola. Question 10. What is the smallest bone in the human body? The correct answer is stapes. Question 11. Which mammal can fly? The correct answer is bat. Question 12. What is the largest organ in the human body? The correct answer is skin. Question 13. Which country has the most natural lakes? The correct answer is Canada. Question 14. What is the rarest blood type? The correct answer is AB negative. Final question. How many bones does a newborn baby have? The correct answer is 300. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like, share, comment, subscribe.